Hello guys! We are back again with another vlog. And we are gonna bring you here in this hand-shaped building. Saan nga ba tayo pupunta? Hindi ko rin alam. So pupunta kami sa ArtScience Museum dito sa Marina Bay Sands. We're going to see yung future world. So it's a digital platform, something like that. We're
Science.
Yun nga yun, where art meets science. Yun, where art meets science. Anyway, before we go inside, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button. Wow, look at those butterflies coming out from that guy. Most of the light projections here are interactive. It reacts when you stand over it. Even the water stream on the floor is so cool. Wow! As we go further, things get more interesting and fun. Oops, selfie time. This green table here is like a maze that connects certain objects via light projection. These cute, colorful characters will jump over to anything that it touches. Okay, time to wash our hands. There's a lot of sections here that are Instagram ready. Well, maybe not this one. Okay, yes, this is what I'm talking about. When we reached this area, we didn't know why they are so busy coloring the illustrations. Well, let us show you why. After coloring your desired template, head over to the sketch scanner. And right before your eyes, your artwork will come to life like magic. And did I mention Instagram ready section?